Hey there. Why am I wearing a Happy New Year hat in October? Stay tuned and I'll tell you. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this. She is good. I am in a lei making class. So Halloween is just around the corner. I'm going to a Halloween party and I will be showing you my costume, but I thought I would hop on here and show you some very quick and easy things you can do if you don't have a lot of time or patience for a Halloween costume. So a lot of times what I've done in the past is I make a costume around a headband. For instance, this is a Happy New Year band. It lights up. It's actually, the battery's broken right now, but I've worn this for New Year's. But I was thinking, wait a second, this could be turned into a costume. If you become Baby New Year, all you need to do is get a onesie, get yourself a pacifier, you're Baby New Year. So that's a cute costume you can do. Other thing, so if you have any like Happy New Year headbands lying around from previous years, you can easily make that costume. Another headband that I have found and used a costume for is I was at Claire's once and I found this really giant big bow, and my first thought was Madonna. So I have actually created a Madonna costume. You just get a little fluffy dress with some tulle, put on a lot of bangle bracelets, neon if you can find them, some long, super long earrings from like the 80s, and some of those gloves that you can find those at Claire's, and boom, you've got a Madonna costume. Last year, I will show you the costume. It's in the closet right now, and I don't know if I have any, pictures of it, I'm gonna insert it after I show you some of the stuff. But I was a swan based on this. So I found this at H&M online and I decided, wait a second, I'm gonna be a swan. So I have a pair of really furry white boots and white leggings. So I paired those together. I have a white petticoat, tutu. It's really a petticoat, but you can also use a tutu. And what I did is I went and got some feathers, and I hot glue gunned the feathers to the skirt. And then I have an Old Navy long sleeve, 3/4 sleeve white shirt that I went ahead and hot glued a bunch of feathers on it. And it looks so cute that I just kind of left it there. So now I'm minus a white long sleeve sweater or shirt. And it came out really, really good. So I'm gonna go and get you the costume and I'll show you exactly what I did. Okay, so I went into the closet and got the items. So first off is the white one. I actually have them on the same hanger. This is my black one and this is my white one. These are really good to have. If you find these on sale at the end of Halloween season, it's good to grab a white one and a black one. And I have to tell you, they're also a lot of fun to run in if you're doing a 5K. I think it's way more fun to do them that way. Anyway, so this is the white one, and you can still see that I added some what's they call it? The boa fur on it. It's got sparklies on it, so it's already still on here with hot glue, because hot glue works really well to stick it on there. And so it's still on there from last year, because I don't know if you can see this far back, but when you put the skirt on, the shirt covers up to here. So then you just see all this fluff stuff. So this came out so good. This is the shirt. How cute is that? I found feathers. I think I might have ordered them on Amazon. By the way, Amazon is your saving grace if you are last minute for Halloween, because you can get shipping in 1 to 2 days. And that is what I do a lot of time when I need stuff. But I bought the feathers on Amazon. You can also get them in any craft store. So I hot glued them all over down the arm, all up to here, and all the way down to the bottom. And then, so I had this skirt on with this top, and look how cute that is. And then just imagine my really furry white boots with it, and that was an easy costume. Yeah, I had to put a little bit of effort and work into it as far as gluing all of these feathers on it, but it came out really good. And I'll probably use this for a future costume. I loved it so much that I decided to save it as is. So last year, I got my husband a costume, Mr. I Won't Wear a Costume. So I found him a shirt. This is actually very funny. I found him a shirt on Amazon. This is Don't Poke the Bear. And then I bought him a pair of bear ears from a costume shop. Boom. That's what he was for Halloween. Really simple and easy. If you have a husband who does not like to dress up like mine, just give him something easy. He's been a doctor numerous times. If you remember General Hospital from back in the day, Dr. Drake, I think it was his name, the one that Rick Springfield played, but he wore his pair of scrubs, and in Sharpie we wrote the doctor's name, and he's worn that for a few Halloweens. Well, this year, for my Halloween costume, it's quite fabulous, if I do say so myself. So, it's based on Disney. So, with the power of magic fairy dust, since I am the wonderful world of Wendy, so I'm Minnie Mouse. I'll see if I can show you the outfit, get the camera set up so you can see a full length of me. But so basically what I did is I put this outfit together. I've had these ears from Disney for forever. And I was shopping online one day, and this was on sale from Torrid. It's got Minnie written across it in script, and I thought, oh my gosh, that would make such a cute outfit. So I thought, well, what am I gonna do for the skirt? I'm not really that crafty. I can't really sew. So I found this. So I found the skirt on the Hot Topic website, and then I went and picked it up. I already had the sparkly shoes, which I've worn as a ladybug, and I've worn for lots of different things. So, and they happen to be, I have small feet, so I was lucky to be able to buy these in a kid size and to still fit me. So this is the skirt, and it's actually got pockets. The only thing that I'm gonna be doing different is I am adding leggings to this because I'm going to be at a party where the weather is supposed to be cold. So, how cute is that? And then the skirt has these cute little pockets, so I can keep my phone in there throughout the party. And there you go, there you can see the shoes. So there you have it, my Halloween costume for 2018. Oh, I have one other idea for you that a friend of mine actually did a couple of years ago. You need a t-shirt you can get from a craft store, and you need some sponges. You cut up the sponges and you hot glue gun them to the t-shirt, and then you can go as self-absorbed. It's a funny idea. Well, there you go. The next video you'll see from me will probably be from the party. And I'm doing a little traveling this weekend, so there might also be a Disney video thrown in there. I'm not exactly sure what I'm coming up with yet, but stay tuned. Become part of my wonderful world by clicking that red subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.